Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable dictation and begin speaking. Start by opening Apple Menu System settings, then choose Keyboard. Turn on Dictation and select Enhanced Dictation if available so your Mac processes speech locally. This improves speed and privacy. Next, pick your input language and microphone. Use built-in microphone or an external USB/microphone headset for clearer audio. Once done, set a keyboard shortcut like press FN twice. These are the essentials that get you into voice typing fast without extra apps. Now you move into active dictation. Open any text field and press the dictation shortcut you set. Speak naturally, but say punctuation aloud, comma, period, question mark, and use new line or new paragraph to format. Make corrections by selecting text and dictating replacements, or use keyboard for precise edits. This is faster for complex words or names. Make sure to watch for misheard words and speak a little slower for acronyms or numbers. Finally, train yourself on common voice commands for smoother flow. Finish by practicing short sessions and adjusting microphone input level in system settings, sound so your Mac hears you clearly. Save templates or snippets in text replacements under keyboard to repeat long phrases quickly. Once done, enable voice control if you need continuous dictation with richer commands. This can replace manual shortcuts. If dictation fails, first check microphone permissions in System Settings Privacy and Security, toggle dictation off and on, and reboot. This simple reset fixes most connection or permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.